Save time and effort with this quick hack to spread adhesive on tiles with less time and effort.
Okay, so we have all our pieces, so we're just going to lay this flat one right underneath our miters.
Building a template will make sure you get the perfect shape like without an extra inch.
31s.
You can use spare material to build it.
There. So again, there's no measuring, there's none of that, just cutting your angles and puzzling them together. So we're going to glue them, and we got our pattern. All right, so our pattern is centered, straight, and attached. So all we're gonna do now is lay it down and hit it with the router. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna fit this in its spot, so. There you guys go.
This worker made a turntable type drain lid. So that it elevates by simply spinning anti-clockwise. Here you can see the sealing of porphyry slabs with fluid cement grout. Instead of marking the shape directly on the frame, tool takes its measurements perfectly. A vacuum takes the air out of the square space on the back, creating a vacuum effect that fixes the tool to the wall perfectly, allowing you to work with both hands. Shotcrete is a method of applying concrete projected at high velocity. It's primarily onto a vertical or overhead surface.
So real quick, these bigger pieces are going to be 20.
Workers need to use all their inventiveness to solve problems along the construction process. Like how to make the skirting go around a round faucet. Here you have a nice solution for having baseboard go around obstacles seamlessly. The earliest known tiles were found in an archaeological dig in Egypt, and they date back to about 4700 BC. When painting a wall, there are many options to give it texture. If wood is not available, any material can become a formwork for concrete. Both cable railing and rod railing are considered to be more economical than other modern railing system.